Hi, fourth grade elementary PE online students. I hope you're having a great week. Boy, this snow is crazy out there. But you know what? There's still a lot of things you can do outdoors and check out some of the assignments that we have coming up that will maybe take us outdoors and do some stuff in the snow. We're working with the first and third grade right now, but I'm still providing you guys some lessons as well. So make sure you keep checking elementary online, the PE section tab on your Schoology. As you can see up here, I'm going to be sending out assignments and updates, and so you and the families can see what's going on. The one new thing I'm going to do so that we can make sure that you're getting some stuff into me, because that's the only way I can give you a grade at the end of the trimester, is if I put a grade element. I'm going to give each assignment that I send or submission I send 10 points. So obviously up to this point, I'm not too worried about it. I'll just put in what you've already sent in, the kids have sent in, but it will allow you to be accountable for your fitness at home and online as well. So make sure you checked out PE when you're going through the daily assignments. And again, I usually will post 1 to 2 things of things that they can be doing, and I usually will have them do within a week or two, but obviously everything is due at the end of the trimester. So I need to hear from your kids. They can also do a journal as well, just letting me know what they're doing for their fitness level to keep healthy during this crazy time, because it is important right now to be active and healthy, to stay fit and everything we're going. So again, this is Mr. Downs signing off. If you have any questions, if you have any concerns, parents, please email me at ddowns@district16.org. You can certainly contact me on Schoology as well. Have a wonderful day. Have a wonderful weekend coming up, and get outside even in this cold weather. Talk to you soon.